Hi everyone, myself Dinesh, Assistant Professor from Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology. So in today's video, we are going to see the design thinking approach of hybrid vehicle, and these are our final year students, and today they are going to explain the overall design thinking process of hybrid vehicle.
Hi everyone, myself Harish. I am from SNS College of Technology, Department of Mechanical Engineering, final year. Today I am present to my project hybrid battery thermal management system using for electric vehicles using base-shaped materials. In this project we have gathered so many information about the electric vehicles lithium-ion batteries. In these batteries, during this generation, it has overheated during the while using the electric vehicle. So we have analyzed the battery temperature and we can focus on to increase the efficiency of the battery. So we have gathered information about the battery. When we have to implement the patient material for the battery cooling, we have selected the paraffin wax for the battery cooling, and it is using for the battery application. So it will reducing the battery thermal and it will increase the battery efficiency, because the temperature level is above 40, it will cause the thermal runaway. So we have to implement our project in this battery thermal management system, and we have implemented the ANSYS software also for the CFD analysis, so we can collecting the data from the project. And now continue my teammate Kamesh.
Hello everyone, I am Kamesh from final year Mechanical Engineering Department in SNS College of Technology. Before that, my friend explained the problems faced in the batteries for their heat and the losses of their efficiency. Now I explains about the way to overcome the power loss and the efficiency of the battery. We have decided the two ways to overcome these losses. First, we have used the phase change material PCM paraffin wax 28 for their surrounded the battery with lithium-ion battery with the metal sheets, so that the battery heats, the PCM material automatically melts and that reduces their battery temperature with its own way. After that, we have used the another way of air cooling. The air cooling, that the air was passed through the battery, then the atmospheric air cools the battery temperature with its layer. After that, the PCM material will be melted and then it will retain to its own stage of solid. This is the way of the overcome the battery thermal management system.
And we are implement the Arduino board, and it will become the C code implemented in this Arduino board. It will monitor the temperature in the this one is the temperature monitoring sensor inside the paraffin wax, and the variation shows in this display.
Okay guys, actually my question is, this is a prototype, right? Okay, this is your overall final project, right? So our video is mainly for DT. It means design thinking of about why we are going for this project. Okay. So what's the empathy problem? That means what's the problem statement you have identified before choosing this project. Okay, what's the?
So commonly in hybrid vehicles or electric vehicles, they are using certain, they have a certain impact or certain temperature.
Oh, there will be sudden temperature rise and fall, so it will affect the battery.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Comparing to others,
Yeah.
our PCM material can handle the sudden impacts.
Okay. The problem statement is the battery will suddenly rise the temperature and it will fall down. So these changes affect the batteries, which means the first problem is the battery will blow up. right? So it will cause the entire system to be damaged. Okay, that's one of the problem statement. So another problem statement, anyone?
Sir, the battery efficiency is decrease.
Yeah, obviously, if this happens, the overall efficiency of the battery will definitely decrease. Okay, so it will also affect in the productivity. Okay, whatever if we are using this batteries in manufacturing system, the overall productivity will definitely reduce. Okay, any other thing? Yeah, the battery life will also be reduced. Okay, so these are the major problems we have identified for this hybrid battery. It's not not only for hybrid batteries. For all the batteries, most of the batteries nowadays in electrical vehicle, the customers are giving the review based on their battery package only. Okay, so battery plays an important role here. Okay, am I right? So this is the problem statement which you guys have been finalized, and for that you are going to use the phase changing material, right? What's the phase changing material you are using? Paraffin. Okay. So that one we can see in the next video. Okay. This is the overall design thinking approach. Okay. Thank you guys. You have explained nicely. Thank you.